2014. So today I am checking out a canal island. I've recently purchased, thanks to Pete Mind Wiseman, thank you Pete, a 2+1 man, 2.5 really man, inflatable canoe. And this particular part of the Basingstoke Canal I live about 15 minutes cycle away from. So I'm interested to see, there's a little, what I can see on the Google Maps, there's a little island. I just want to give it a little recce and see what's what. So I'm on the push bike obviously, and I'll bring you back when I'm nearer to it. It's about 3 kilometres from where I am now, so I'll bring you back then. Well, there's my island. That's a bit of a disappointment. It's not going to be big enough for what I need. Oh, well, it's island number 1, the nearest one. And the second one a little bit further around. So I shall continue. But island number 1, although it's, I could pitch my tent on that, it's not really big enough for what I need. So I've crossed over the canal. This is island number 2, which although it's only 5 more minutes probably paddling down. It's a little bigger. Now the only issue with this building, this island, is it's right next to a military building, which is fine. That's just over there. No one's going to come near though, I don't think. I just ended up in a drink. Wet shoes, not cool. By foot, I think, this bit. Right. So, look. Building. Some water there. There's an island over there. So that's cool. I do apologise for the camera work. I'm using my smartphone and got a little gorilla mount for the smartphone. First time. Yeah, that's better. That's the only problem. Still, you shall see. Man, it's so boggy. That's cool. So the island's about here to about here. And it's probably I don't know, the width of a car and a half, something like that. Noisy neighbours. And the only thing that's going to disturb me here is it is a popular towpath for walkers and bikers and stuff, or bicyclists. But if I tuck myself right in there, it should be alright. There's also a train line that runs just here, just along here. Here the ranges as well. Island 1, too small, no good. Island 2 is potential, we'll see. So anyway, anyone that hasn't been down to this part of the world, it is lovely. I mean, the sun's out, it's still very wet. The last few days here in the United Kingdom we've had very bad storms. A lot of trees have come down. But on a sunny day, quite picturesque. And to think 25 years ago this was just a quagmire of silt and mud and crap. And volunteers have brought it up to this standard. That's very good. Very good indeed. Morning. Morning. Morning.
Hi.
On the weekend, as you can see, it does get a little busy. It's such a quiet area. Oh man, that's wet. You can hear it, and all this muck is flicking up on my arse, my face, the camera. Never mind. It's a small price to pay to be outdoors and enjoying this. I'm glad I could bring you guys along as well. So my next step is to Recce, those islands, via Canoe, which I'll do on another day. We'll go from there. I'll bring you along for that as well. But for now, folks, I'm going to sign off. I've got about a mile of canal to go, and then about 3 miles, 4 miles of road uphill all the way back home, and then off to work. See you next time.